In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google's resources effectively to assist with blocking a Gmail account. This is a useful guide if you need to manage who can contact you or protect your inbox from spam or unwanted emails. Let's dive into the process and make it as straightforward as possible. First things first, we need to access Google. Head over to your preferred web browser and open it up. In the search bar, type in "How to block Gmail account of others" and hit enter. Once the results load, look through the links presented and find the most relevant article or guide provided by Google or trusted sources. This gives you insight into exactly what you need to do, whether you're dealing with a general inquiry or something more specific that requires Google's support or community forums. Now, once you've found a reliable source, it's crucial to carefully go through the information. Google's own help articles will generally offer step-by-step instructions, but it's valuable to read any additional tips or related queries other users have faced. Pay close attention to the terminology used, as it will help you better understand the options available to you when managing your Gmail account settings. After gathering the necessary information, you can proceed to your Gmail account. Sign in if prompted. Once you're logged into Gmail, look at the top right corner of your inbox. You'll see the gear icon representing settings. Click on this icon and then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here, you can create a new filter to manage incoming emails effectively. Click on Create a New Filter. A new dialog box will appear asking for specific criteria. If you wish to block an address, simply input the email address you want to block in the From field and click Create Filter. After setting the condition, you'll need to choose the action. To block emails from this address, check the box that says Delete it. This filter ensures that emails from the specified address will automatically be sent to the trash, keeping your inbox clean and organized. Finally, confirm your selection by clicking on Create Filter, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a block for that particular Gmail account. It's worth mentioning that using this filtering option doesn't notify the other party that they're blocked. Instead, their emails are simply redirected away from your inbox. This approach maintains privacy while keeping your Gmail experience optimal. Always remember that managing your email settings is a personal process, and what works for one person might not work for another. Don't hesitate to revisit Google's help pages if further clarification is needed. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been informative. If you found it helpful, feel free to explore more of our content to enhance your Google experience even further.